Watch videos to earn $149 every hour. How to make money online. Welcome to Profitability Plus, your ultimate guide to unlocking financial opportunities. We're here to provide you with clear and straightforward instructions, helping you navigate through the world of online earnings without any corporate jargon. So let's dive in and learn how you can make the most of your time and the internet. Today, we have an exciting opportunity to share with you an easy and accessible way to earn money by simply watching YouTube videos. No complicated strategies, no advanced skills required, just a few straightforward steps that can work for anyone, anywhere in the world. Let's start with step number 1. Earn money by watching YouTube videos online. To begin, you'll need to visit a specific website that allows you to earn money by watching videos. We'll reveal the website name in a moment, but first, let's walk through how it all works. On this platform, you'll find a variety of videos to watch, including commercial ads, YouTube videos, movies, and TV content. But that's not all. You also have the opportunity to earn $1 for every person who joins the site using your referral link. Once your account balance reaches the minimum amount, you can transfer your earnings to your bank account, PayPal, or other available withdrawal options. This platform has partnered with over 6,500 brands, ensuring a constant stream of new videos to watch and earn money from. For a detailed look at this website, you can explore the About Us section by clicking on the top right corner of the site. Now, let's get started. Click on the Sign Up button and you'll be prompted to enter your basic information. This includes your first name, last name, birthday, gender, email address, and password. Complete a simple CAPTCHA and you're all set. As a bonus, you'll receive a generous $5 just for signing up. Now, on the left-hand side of the website, you'll see 5 videos available for you to watch. Each time you watch one, you'll earn. For instance, the first video you watch will bring you 61 cents. Click the play button, but be prepared to see an ad. Just close it and hit play again. You don't need to watch the entire video, just 34 seconds will do. Keep an eye on the countdown timer, and when it's up, click on the complete button. Another ad might pop up, but don't worry, close it and click complete again. Your dashboard will display a message saying, "Successfully completed. You have received 61 cents. To see your updated account balance, just refresh the page. Repeat this process for videos 2, 3, 4, and 5. You'll notice your earnings increasing steadily. However, please remember that there's a limit to watching 5 videos in every 24-hour period. If you try to rewatch the first or second video, you'll be informed that it will be available again in 24 hours. But fret not, we have a solution for that, which we'll get to shortly. Before we move on, don't forget to like this video, give it a thumbs up, and let us know your location in the comments. Your feedback helps us create more content that's tailored to your needs. Create multiple accounts. Step number 2 involves boosting your earnings by creating multiple accounts on the website. You can set up anywhere from 5 to 10 accounts. Each account will earn you 61 cents, 32 cents, 47 cents, 52 cents, and 56 cents. Adding up to a fantastic $2.48 in less than a minute. With 10 accounts, you could easily earn $24.80 in just a few minutes. If you're concerned about not having enough email addresses, we have a valuable bonus tip for you. You can use variations of your existing email address. For instance, if you initially used videomaster78901@gmail.com and it's unavailable for a new account, simply add a dot in different places, and it will be accepted. These variations will still direct emails to the original email address, videomaster78901@gmail.com. It's a clever trick that not many people are aware of. Now, step 3. Make $600 a day in pure passive income. Head to the top right corner of the website and hover your mouse over My Account. Select the referral option. Here, you'll see that every time someone signs up using your referral link, you'll earn $1 per referral. The website we're discussing is called winthub.com, and you can find the link in the video description. This is where you can get started and begin earning. But we have a bonus tip for you that can help you earn even more. We'll show you how to get thousands of people to register through your referral link, allowing you to make $600 a day in passive income. But before we delve into that, please consider subscribing to our friend's channel, Finance Girl, for more informative videos about making money online. We've added the link to her channel in our video description. Here's the secret bonus trick. Let's head over to Facebook. In the search box, type "Make Money Online" and press Enter. Then, select Groups and look for Public Groups. These groups are open for anyone to join without needing permission. For instance, if you click on one of these groups, you'll find various posts related to making money online. Now, create a post similar to those you see in the group. As you can notice, posts like this receive lots of likes and comments from interested individuals. Your post could be something like this. To make your post more convincing, include an image that shows proof of payment, such as an image displaying an $80 payment from WinThub. Simply save this image to your device, then attach it to your Facebook post. This strategy allows you to reach an audience in various Make Money Online Facebook groups. With consistency, you could potentially get 20 to 30 people signing up daily, which means you'll be making about $600 to $900 every month with just a simple Facebook post. As you can see, there's a world of potential right at your fingertips. You can withdraw your earnings from the winthub.com website with ease. Just hover over My Account and select Withdraw. You have 4 different options to choose from, such as Western Union, PayPal, WebMoney, and Pioneer. Each has its minimum threshold, so when you reach the amount, click Withdraw, set up your account, and your earnings will be on their way. Ready to maximize your earnings? Subscribe to Profitability Plus today and stay in the know with the latest money-making opportunities. Hit that subscribe button and start your journey to financial success now. Don't miss out. Subscribe and let's conquer those earnings together. Earning $80 is easy if you consistently follow the methods discussed in this video. If you found value in this video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. If you're looking for additional ways to earn money online, check out the video on the right. Thanks for watching Profitability Plus, and until next time, happy earning!